was born to fly and spread.
Yung pong name niya, bali yung lola po ni Habi na Alejandra, yun po yung Aleja. Tapos yung lola ko po, sa side ng tatay ko, Felisa, ginawa po namin Feliz, kaya Aleja Feliz po.
Happy birthday, Ali. May you always stay happy and grateful and always shine brightly. I love you.
Wish ko sa'yo, huwag mong pabayaan ang iyong tungkulin sa Diyos at mahalin mo ang iyong mga magulang. I love you.
Napakasweet na bata. Malalanin, matalino. Mana sa nanay.
Yung pagiging sweet sa akin yan ako, tsaka yung ganda at talino.
Anak, happy birthday. Alam ko, masaya ka sa birthday mo. Wish lang ni Daddy na palagi kang susunod sa mga nakakatanda. Mag-aral mabuti. Matalino ka naman bata. So, alam kong lalaki kang maayos kahit na malayo si Daddy. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Yes, you did. Ooh, so girl, if you talk like you walk, come and talk to me.
Alam kong napaka-bless mong bata dahil nandiyan si Mami, si Daddy at maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Happy birthday ulit.
Wish ko sa'yo lumaki kang mananampalataya, mapagmahal sa magulang, sa kapwa, malusog na pangangatawan. I love you.
Show me now. Cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, I just might.
Happy birthday, Ate Ali. I love you. Happy birthday, Ali. Wishing you with a beautiful day, with good health and happiness forever. Again, happy birthday, Ali.
Happy birthday, Ali. More birthday to come. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ate Ali. I love you.
So please don't do that to me, cause it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart, if I find out you can't move. You better show me now, show me now, show me now. Cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do.
Lumaki ka sanang mabuting bata. Lagi kang bigyan ni God ng magandang kalusugan. Huwag na huwag kanyang pababayaan. At sana lalo ka pang maging mabuting bata. Yun lang anak, mahal na mahal ka namin.
I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Happy birthday, Ali. Sana maging brainy ka pa at charming. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ali. Put God first in everything you do. God bless you always and more birthdays to come. I love you.